Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Marie and today we're going to be making Cowboy Caviar. So if you've never tuned into my channel before, I try to make very simple recipes that are still very good. I don't have a whole lot of time to cook, so I try to find something that's a little bit easier to make. This recipe happens to take a little bit more time prepping, but once you cut up all the vegetables and everything, you basically just stir it up and put it in the refrigerator. So let's get started, and the first thing we have to make is the oil and vinegar mix. So this is 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cup of oil, and 1/2 cup of sugar. So once you add that to a pan, you let it bring it to a boil, and then you'll turn and then let it cool off. And while it's cooling, you can get all of your vegetables ready if you want to. So what we have here is 1 red bell pepper, we have 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 green pepper. Make sure these are all diced at a pretty small size. And then this is 4 stalks of celery. And 1 red onion. Two cups of corn, and I use the frozen corn. And 1 12-ounce can of pinto beans and 1 12-ounce can of black beans. And make sure you rinse these before you add them. So that looks super colorful. I love that. And then all we do is add our oil mixture. You might want to stir it just a little bit before you add it. Okay, add your mix. And stir it up. Everything gets covered a little bit here. Yeah, look how colorful that is. That's I really like that. And then you can give it a try. And I just use Scoops chips, but you can use Fritos corn chips or something if you want to. And that's delicious. You can make this a couple of days ahead of time because the longer it sits and marinates in the oil mixture, the better it is. So that's it. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today, and have a great day.